Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download PHP into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, first you have to go for any of your favorite browser, and then here you have to come over into the search option and going to search for PHP. And you will get this suggestion over here called PHP download. If you click on that, then you will get the first website called www.php.net, and you can see the website name is downloads PHP. So if you click on this website, and then you will get these download and installation instructions over here. You can see the current stable PHP 8.4.3 options is over here. If you want to download it for Windows, you can simply click on this Windows downloads, and then you will get over these binaries and source releases page. After that, here you can see there is two versions called VS17X64 non-thread safe and thread safe over here. So we're going to go for this thread safe and go for click on zip. You can see it's only 32.34 MB, and you can see it's already started the downloading, so it will take some seconds to download. So for that, keep patience. And you can see that your download is completed, and now here you can see there is a folder icon over here. So if you click on that, it will automatically redirect you to the downloading zip folder or the downloaded zip folder over here. So we're going to close the browser right now and going to maximize this file explorer and going to unzip or extract this file over here. So we're going to click on the right mouse button, and then we'll get the option called extract all. So if you click on that, then there will be a confirmation where you want to extract this file. So I'm going to click on extract over here, and after taking a little bit of time, you can see the file has extracted. And if I just make it a large icons, you can see that two folder is over here. One is a zip folder and one is extracted folder. So first I'm going to rename this and going to delete this and going to only remain the PHP 8.4.3. And now what you're going to do, we're going to cut it from here and going to paste it into the local C drive over here. You can see, going to paste it over here. And now you can see that we simply cut it and going to paste it PHP 8.4.3 into our local C drive. You can see. So after that, what we can do, we're going to click on it 2 times and going to copy this simple location over here, or you can cut it or you can copy it. You can see, you can simply copy it. And now we will going to close the file explorer and going to go for the search option and going to search for environment variables. You will get this, edit the system environment variables, and click on the open system, and you can see your system properties over here. So now we'll go for the environment variables over here. So if you click on that, then go for system variables, going to click on the path, click on edit, click on new, and going to paste the file location over here. I'm going to click on OK, OK another time, and another time is OK. And now there is the PHP, the file. You can see the PHP is downloaded or simply installed into a computer. So how are you going to make sure it? Just simply click on the search option and going to search for CMT and then click enter. And now here if you search for PHP space dash call version and simply click on enter, you will get, you can see the PHP 8.4.3 is built in and now is connected with your computer. So yeah, this is how you can download, install, and you can save the PHP into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.